Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the third chapter of language, that is subject and predicate. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. For example, Rahul likes playing football. This is a sentence that makes complete sense. Rahul is the subject because the sentence is about Rahul. Likes playing football is the predicate because it tells us about the subject Rahul. See here, in a sentence there are two parts. One is subject and one is predicate. And subject is that part of the sentence to for which we are talking about, and the other rest part will be the predicate, whatever we talk about that particular subject in the sentence, the part of the sentence that tell us what or whom the sentence is about. It means subject is the person or the thing that what or whom we are talking about, and the part of the sentence that tells us something about the subject, the thing which was told by the about the subject is known as the predicate. Look at the following sentences. The players are not tired. Here the players, we are talking about the players. So the players are the subject, and are not tired, it is the predicate. The predicate always includes the verb. So every time in the predicate there will be a verb. Some more examples to understand subject and predicate. The boy was chasing a cat. Here we are talking about the boy. So the boy is subject and the rest part is predicate. Suraj is sleeping. We are talking about Suraj. Now Suraj is subject and is sleeping is predicate. The toy car was running on the track. Here we are talking about the toy car. So the toy car is the subject and the rest part is predicate. The helicopter flew over the sea. The helicopter is the subject and flew over the sea is predicate. The subject may have only one or more than one word. Most probably it is saying that the subject is of one word or more than one word. Next, in the A part, you have to circle the subject and underline the predicates. First sentence is the bird is flying. So the bird, we are talking about the bird. So the bird is subject and is flying is predicate. So you have to circle the bird and underline is flying. Ram is an intelligent student. Here we are talking about Ram. So Ram is the subject. Circle Ram is an intelligent student is predicate. So is an intelligent student, you have to underline. Mary walks in the park. Mary is a girl, we are talking about Mary. So Mary here subject and walks in the park here predicate. The teacher sings well. The teacher is the subject. Circle the teacher. Sings well is the predicate. The children are reading books. Here we are talking about the children. The children is the subject. Are reading books is the predicate. Ritu will come today. We are talking about Ritu. Ritu is the subject. Circle Ritu. Will come today will be the predicate. You have to underline it. The teacher is in the library. The teacher is the subject. Circle the teacher is in the library. It is the predicate. Is in the library. You have to underline. You should not sing in the classroom. Now we are talking about you. So here you is the subject and should not sing in the classroom is the predicate. Atul wrote a story. We are talking about Atul. So Atul is the subject. Wrote a story is the predicate. The study table is very neat. Now we are talking about the study table. So the study table is subject. Is very neat is the predicate. Subject in commands. Whenever the subject is given in commands, at that time there is subject is not mentioned there, so the whole sentence will be the predicate. Like come here, don't talk. Now its full is predicate, no subject is given here. But if the sentence is like this, you come here, then you will be the subject and come here will be the predicate. You don't talk, so you will be the subject and don't talk will be the predicate. Like this, in all commands the subject is you, which is not mentioned in the sentence but is understood. Subject in questions. The subject usually comes before the predicate. We have read these sentences. Here the subject is used before the predicate, but in question form subject is given in the last. So but in question subjects comes after the predicates. Where is mother? So we are talking about mother. So here mother is the subject and where is it predicate. Who are you? We are talking about you. You is the subject and who are is the predicate. So same way you have to do the B part. Here circle the subject, underline the predicate. Sit on that chair. Now it is a command. We don't know to whom we are saying. So sit on that chair. The whole will be predicate. You have to underline it. How are you? Now we are talking about you. You is the subject, circle you. How are is the predicate, underline how are. The picture is very beautiful. We are talking about the picture. So the picture is the subject, circle it. Is very beautiful is the predicate. Switch on the television. Now we are giving command to someone. So its whole is the predicate. The cartoon show is very funny. The cartoon show. It's a subject is very funny is the predicate. I had fever yesterday. Here we are talking about I. So I is the subject. Had fever yesterday is the predicate. Jyoti, come inside the room. Now it's a command, but we know to whom this command is given. To whom is it's given? To Jyoti. So Jyoti is the subject. Come inside the room is the predicate. What is that insect? Now we are talking about that insect. So that insect is the subject and what is the predicate. Mona and Sona play badminton. Here we are talking about Mona and Sona. So Mona and Sona is the subject and play badminton is the predicate. Where is everybody? So we are talking about everybody. So everybody is the subject and where is the predicate. In the C part, fill in the blanks with suitable subjects or predicates. You can write any predicate of your own choice, any subject of your own choice. So you have to do yourself. It's your homework. So you have to learn and write this chapter nicely and do it carefully. So thanks a lot.